it's Jessica with Pull Through Sites Mobile RV Repair, and today I want to talk to you about a yearly maintenance checklist. This is very important for your RV. You should be doing regular maintenance on your RV all year long. We have a handy checklist for you. You can actually download it for free from our website, pullthroughsites.com. All you have to do is print out the checklist, and it tells you what to do prior to camping season, what you should do during camping season, and what you need to do after camping season to make sure you're keeping track with all of the maintenance. Let's talk a little bit about pre-season maintenance. And for those of you that camp all the time in your RV, this may not seem like all that important because it's pre-season. But for those of us that are in our campers only on the weekends and only in nice weather, you definitely need to do a checklist of maintenance things before you hit the road to start camping. So let's talk about a couple of those things. Again, if you need a checklist, please go to our website, pullthroughsites.com. You can get that checklist for free. Just print it off. A couple of things that you should do. Check your AC. Make sure it's functioning and clean. You can check out some of our other videos where I go through how to look at the AC unit on your roof and also what you should do inside your coach. You need to do a full roof inspection. Get up there, look at everything, make sure there's no cracks in any of your seals, make sure that there's no pinholes or even bigger holes for that matter. But definitely check out that roof. This is a pre and a post season must do. Check the life of your batteries. There's nothing worse than a dead battery on a Friday night. So definitely check out those batteries. Also, pre-season, check for water leaks, especially when you de-winterize. Get all the antifreeze out and then run some water through your system and make sure there's no leaks. If you guys want more, definitely go get that checklist. There are at least 10 other things that you should do pre-season camping to make sure you don't have any problems. During camping season, it is really important to keep up with the maintenance of your RV. So a couple of things that you should be doing during camping season is clean your awning. Get up there. I know it kind of can be a pain, but clean that awning every 3 to 4 trips. If you're going to be out and it's really gross, I would clean it every trip. But clean that awning. Just keep up with the maintenance on that. Flush your black tank. Most campers these days have what they call a black tank flush. This is where you would take your hose. There's a certain connection. You can check out that video where I show exactly what to do, but you can hook up your hose to that connection. My camera guy is laughing because I have done this incorrectly. So let me tell you, you need to do it correctly and you should do it every trip. Hook that hose up to your black tank connection and clean those tanks out. Do it every trip, at least every other if you're not going to do it every trip. I know sometimes those lines get long at the dump stations on a Sunday afternoon, but it is really important for the maintenance of your camper to flush those black tanks. And then keep an eye out for any water leaks. If you hear something weird as far as dripping water or you see some water where it shouldn't be, make note of it, try to figure out where it's coming from. Worst case scenario, you can always call us. There's more on that checklist to do during the camping season, which you can check out if you download the free copy. After camping season, I know we all hate this time of year when we have to close up our RVs for the year. I know we hate it as avid RVers, but let me tell you, after camping season, there are things that you should do to make sure that you are keeping up on the maintenance and you won't have any issues over the winter. One of the things that we will do is we check the tires, the axles, the brakes. That is vitally important. I can't tell you how many calls we have gotten with our mobile RV repair business that have been axles, tires, brakes, tires that blow, which we know happens all the time in the RV industry, but leaf springs that break, axles. We've had to repair an entire axle on somebody's RV. These things are very, very important. You can actually see before and after pictures on our website of an axle that we had to completely rebuild. So after camping season, it's a really good time to look at the tread, the wear on your tires, check those brakes, make sure that you're not going to have any issues. The other thing that you can do, again, A lot of the pre-season things that we do for the checklist are things that you do post-season as well, right? You should be checking your AC twice a year. So after camping season, get up on that roof and check that AC again. Check for water leaks, check for holes. You don't want any critters living in your RV over winter. So definitely check for any holes or gaps or anywhere critters can get in. For the rest of the checklist, please go to our website, pullthroughsites.com. We cannot stress maintenance of your RV enough. These things have to be maintained. You cannot just set it and forget it. Please keep your maintenance up to date, because that will keep you from having to call me all the time to come fix your RV. And we love you. We want to come talk with you. We want to make sure your RV stays on the road, but we don't want to rack up those bills for you. So keep your maintenance up to date. Download the checklist on our website, pullthroughsites.com.
A little yearly maintenance on your RV keeps these things rolling throughout the year and keeps you making plenty of RV adventure memories.